Writers, good job today on your independent writing time. I hope that you found your time useful and you accomplished your goal today. So for our share, a couple of options. If you were able to go back through your micro story and add in one of those prompts, I want you to go ahead and type the sentence or take a picture of the sentence that you wrote today, or maybe you have a couple of examples, or just take a picture of what you did with your writing. So maybe you weren't at the spot, or maybe you were ahead. So please have something to share today, and then you need to look for your writing partner's post and comment on their post. So you might want to talk about what great writing they're doing. You could ask them a question. Remember, we're just always being respectful and responsible with our discussion posts. So hope to see one from everybody. Remember, it's your responsibility, so your writing partner has someone to collaborate with. Awesome job today, writers.